Good morning and welcome to Zip Tie Garage. Today we're going to show you how to remove a stud, a broken off bolt, particularly a stud here in the wheel hub. So it's pretty easy. All you need is a welder, a drill, and some cutting oil. So what you'll do is you'll just drill out the center of the hub, not the hub, the bolt, or as close as you can get to the center. You don't need to go all the way, just go a good distance in there. Make yourself a oversized bolt, one that'll fit over, an oversized nut, one that'll fit over the bolt you have. Just like that, and we'll fill the inside of that with weld. So as it heats up the stud, it'll kind of shrink it down. You can get a bite on it with there. Here, we'll flip it around this way so we get some water on the bottom. Turn them right there.
One more right there and then we'll get on it.
Oh no, a socket will fit on it. Huh? A socket won't fit.
Good job, mateys.
And as you see, the heat and the trick does the magic.
I appreciate that. Let's drop it in the oil.
No, it gets on fire.
Yeah, exactly. Cool it off.
There she glows. Obviously that trick's done a little bit better with a MIG welder and people that know what they're doing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.